Today I am reviewing the BEASTCOM Q5 Pro gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're in the market for a gaming PC that truly delivers next-level performance without compromise, the BEASTCOM Q5 Pro gaming PC is built to satisfy even the most demanding gamers and creators. At the heart of this powerhouse is the AMD Ryzen 7 8700F processor, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads, with a turbo boost clock reaching up to 5 GHz. This means the Q5 Pro offers lightning-fast responsiveness for gaming, streaming, and multitasking all at once. Whether you're playing the latest AAA titles at crisp 1440p resolution or juggling creative workloads like video editing or 3D rendering, this processor provides the raw power you need to stay ahead of the competition and productive in your projects. Paired with the Ryzen 7 is the NVIDIA RTX 5060 8GB graphics card, which brings smooth, visually stunning gameplay and fast frame rates. This GPU handles modern games effortlessly, delivering clean and vibrant visuals with support for ray tracing and other advanced graphics features. You'll notice sharper textures, realistic lighting effects, and an overall immersive experience that makes every match feel more intense and every in-game moment more lifelike. The RTX 5060 also plays a vital role if you're a content creator, offering accelerated rendering and AI-powered features that speed up workflows and improve output quality. Memory and storage are equally impressive in this system. The 32 GB of high-speed RAM ensures that running multiple applications simultaneously is never a problem. You can stream your gameplay, chat with friends, run background programs, and switch between tasks smoothly without any hiccups. Storage comes in the form of a fast 1TB NVMe SSD, which drastically reduces boot times, game load times, and file transfer speeds compared to traditional hard drives. This SSD gives you plenty of space to install your favorite games, store creative projects, and keep important files right at your fingertips. Beyond raw performance, the Q5 Pro makes a statement with its bold aesthetics. The full-view tempered glass side panel showcases the internal components, illuminated by 3 RGB fans that not only keep the system cool, but add a stunning visual flair to your setup. This isn't just a machine to play on. It's a PC that demands attention and complements your gaming space with style. The RGB lighting is fully customizable, letting you tailor the look to match your personal vibe or sync with your other RGB peripherals. One of the best things about the BEASTCOM Q5 Pro gaming PC is how ready it is to go right out of the box. It comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, so you're set up with the latest operating system optimized for gaming and productivity. There's no need to worry about bloatware slowing you down. This system is clean, fast, and optimized to get you into the action immediately. Simply plug in, power on, and you're ready to compete, create, or conquer your next gaming challenge. In summary, the BEASTCOM Q5 Pro is a no-compromise gaming PC that combines powerful AMD processing, cutting-edge NVIDIA graphics, ample high-speed memory, and fast storage with a stunning, customizable design. It's perfect for gamers who want to dominate at 1440p, stream with ease, or dive into creative projects without missing a beat. If you're looking for a gaming rig that's built to perform, built to impress, and built to last, this PC is an excellent choice that checks all the boxes and then some.